Let's take a look at how easy it is to start an LLC with Doola. Here you can click Create a Free Account, but first I want to show you the pricing page. Doola has 3 plans. Starter gives you everything you need to create your LLC. The total compliance and business in a box packages are great options to help you manage the ongoing operations and bookkeeping of your business. You can always upgrade to one of these packages later on. I'll go with the starter package for $297 per year, which will include LLC formation at no cost, a registered agent, and a virtual mailbox. $297 is a great price for those 2 services. Most competitors charge $125 or more for a registered agent and $240 or more for a virtual mailbox, so you're saving at least $68 per year by going with Doola. You also get an EIN and operating agreement. Some other formation services will charge $50 to $100 a piece for those. You can find out more about their other 2 plans in a video in the description. I'll click the starter plan. Either log in with Google or enter your name, email, and create a password to create your account with Doola. Enter your country of residence. Doola helps U.S. residents as well as non-U.S. residents create LLCs in the U.S. We're forming a new business, which has already been selected, so I'll click Continue. Here they explain the differences between an LLC and a C Corp. We're creating an LLC today, but if you're not sure which of those to choose, you can take this quiz below, or on their homepage, you can schedule a demo where you can ask any questions that you have with somebody from Doola, something that you're not going to see offered with other formation services. Scroll down and click Next. If you find this video helpful and you'd like to support our channel, you'll find our affiliate link to create your LLC with Doola in the description. By using this link, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. Would you like your LLC to be taxed as an S Corp? If you're just getting started, you probably don't need this right now. It makes sense normally after your LLC is generating somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 of profit per year. To learn more about S Corps, check out the video in the description. I'll select No Thanks and click on Next. Here, enter your top 3 options for the name of your LLC and the ending option you prefer: LLC, L.L.C. or Limited Liability Company, all written out. If you're worried the name of your LLC might not be available, you might want to first check the name availability with your state. Each state has a tool that'll help you do just that. You'll find a link below to a page on our website that includes all the links to the state's name check tools. After entering the name options, click Next. Select the state where you'd like to form your LLC. In most cases, you'll want to form an LLC in the state where you're based, but if you want to learn more about why some businesses choose to form in other states, you can watch our video on the best states to form your LLC in the description. Today, I'll form an LLC in Florida. It'll then show you the fee charged by the state. It's $125 in Florida. Here you'll see the 3 different pricing options again. I'll choose Starter. How quickly do you need the LLC? Depending on the state, it can take a week or longer for standard processing, or by paying an additional $300, you can get expedited processing and get your LLC quicker. Here we have a summary of our order, the 3 company name options, your plan plus the state fee for a total of $422 if forming in Florida. You'll also see on the right that after confirming, they will gather some additional details about your company, such as company members, registered agent address, ownership breakdown, and more. Down below, more detail about the subscription and state fee. Check this box if you reviewed the information and it's all correct, then you can click Continue. Enter your email and payment information. You can pay with a card, Cash App, or connect your bank account. I'll enter my card info and click Subscribe. Here I need to confirm that I'm a human. Before we continue, I want to let you know that we have a free training that'll walk you through everything you need when you're starting a new business, like a logo, website, business email, business bank account, and more. To get access, sign up using the link in the description. Here, select the industry of your business. This will be for a coaching and consulting business. Enter a business description. I'll put coaching to help individuals reach their goals. Would you like Doola to be your registered agent? It's something that's included with your subscription. I find it better, even if you have a business location in the state, to let your registered agent handle all of the legal documents and state notifications that your business will receive. Check this box to have Doola fill in your virtual mailbox address that's included with your subscription. Or if you have a business mailing address, you can type it here. Click the plus icon to add an LLC member. LLC members can be individuals or businesses. I'll enter my name, phone number, and address. Below, I'll add my social security number, which will be used to help me get my business tax ID, EIN, from the IRS. If you don't have a social security number, don't worry, you can still form a business and get an EIN. Just leave this part blank. Hit Add to submit your info. If you have additional LLC members, click the plus icon and add their information as well. Choose the designated responsible party. I'll select myself. The IRS mandates an individual as the responsible party to get an EIN. But don't worry, this doesn't mean this person assumes extra tax responsibility for this designation. I'm the only owner of this LLC, so I'll own 100% of it. If you have multiple members, enter each of their ownership percentages right here. Enter how you heard about Doola. Obviously, you heard about them from this YouTube video. If you choose YouTube, they'll want to know the specific video. If you can't find the video, you can just type some text here and click next. Review all the information you entered. Click the checkbox to confirm everything is accurate, and then click next. Here you'll have to sign the SS4 and 8821 documents that will be submitted to the IRS. You can download the signed documents for your records, then click submit. You'll then be taken to the Doola dashboard. You'll see your business plan, formation and process, EIN action required. We'll need the business to first be formed before Doola can then get the EIN for us. They list some of their other services. Here are deals for other businesses like Shopify, TikTok for Business, OmniSend, Grasshopper, and more. On the Company tab, it shows the order has been processed, they have the company and member profiles, and the formation has been filed with the state. Here in Services, you can see the other services offered by Doola. If you want to know more about working with Doola to manage your bookkeeping, check out this video up above. Or if you want to make sure you're avoiding the most common LLC mistakes, check out the video down below. Also, don't forget, if you'd like to support our channel, you can find our link to create your LLC with Doola in the description. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.